In this video, I'm going to show you how to simplify this limit. And if you don't know this short method, please keep watching this video. It's going to be very fast and I'm going to make sure I detail all information. So let's get started. The solution to this problem is this. You are to find the limit x minus 2 over x squared minus 4 as x approaches 2 or x tends to 2. So the best way we can go about this is to try by direct substitution. If we try by this substitution, direct substitution, what does it mean by using direct substitution? It means that since x is tending or approaching 2, anywhere x appears on the board, you can substitute the value 2 for x. And then let's see what the outcome will be. That's what it meant by going by direct substitution. So at this point, I will have this to be, in place of this x, I will replace it with 2. 2 minus 2 all over. Here becomes 2 squared minus 4. And of course, 2 minus 2 is 0 all over. 2 squared is 4. And 4 minus 4 is 0. And this is one of the forms of indeterminate. Yeah. So we call this indeterminate. Meaning it doesn't have any meaning. 0 over 0 is indeterminate, meaningless. We have other forms of indeterminate, infinity over infinity, infinity to the power of 0, and as the case may be. So since it doesn't have meaning, it means using direct substitution, we can't get the solution to this problem. That is to say that you will need to apply another formula or another method. And the method we can try at this point is factorization, because the problem looks factorizable. All right, so if we're going by factorization method, the denominator we're having is difference of two squares, because we are having x squared minus 4 squared, which is the same thing as x squared minus 2 squared. 4 squared, we can reduce it to 2 squared, and this is the format of difference of 2 squared. In a nutshell, if I have a squared minus b squared, this can be split to be a plus b into a minus b. By the time you expand this, it will give you this particular expression. Similarly, this can also be reduced to this point, x plus 2. Plus or minus, either of them can come first or second. It doesn't matter. All right? So at this point, from this expression, we can split it to this form, the denominator. So we have x minus 2, which is the numerator, divide the denominator, we split it to this form, x minus 2 into x plus 2, which is the difference of 2 squared. All right. So at this point, you can see that this is similar to this. And if that cancels out, what will be remaining on the numerator is just 1 over x plus 2. Okay, so limit of 1 over x plus 2 as x tends to 2 will be that anywhere you see x is substitute 2. So I have 1 all over 2 plus 2. And this will give us 1 over 4. And this is the solution to this problem. You can also go by the method called the L'Hopital's rule of differentiation. The method of L'Hopital's rule is just for you to differentiate both the numerator and the denominator. And let's do it quickly. The differentiation of x is 1 minus differentiation of 2 is 0 over differentiation of x squared is 2x minus differentiation of 4 is 0. So we're having 1 minus 0 is 1, 2x minus 0 is 2x. So limit of 1 over 2x as x tends to 2 will be that anywhere we see x, we substitute 2. So we have 1 over 2 multiplied by 2. But the relationship between 2 and x is multiplication. So this will give us 1 over 4, and this gives the same answer with this. So I know you prefer L'Hopital's rule, but it's also very important you should learn this factorization where we apply what we call the difference of two squares. So I hope this video makes a lot of sense to you. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like my video, and don't forget to come back and watch. If you turn on the notification, you will always get notified whenever I upload new video. Please always come and watch my video. Thank you very much, and I'm always happy when I see your comments in the comment section.